This is a quick build guide of motor arm lug prep. Truly unique. You can set the motor arm angles in 15-degree increments. You control it. 60 degree, 45 degree, 30 degree, conventional setups, dead cat, 45 degree, or customize it to your own. Let's go over real quick on, of course, just wanted to say too that we give about double the amount of screws you need. Because if you build one, you're gonna most likely want to, you know, change it up, do something else with it, and you'll have the screws to do it with. Let's go ahead and prep the holes. We're going to, this hole right here, we're going to drill it through, and that's actually going to come in to screw the deck down later. We'll go over that. Because of the molding process, this hole in here, and let me get this a little bit closer. This hole in here needs to be drilled, and then we need to drill one here for the landing gear. So let's get started. This makes a great bit guide, and that's what I use it for. It works out real well. So we'll get our drill, and we'll get a 9/64 bit, and that's to drill this hole in here. So let's go ahead and put the top on. It's going to act as a bit guide. You want to make sure not go through too far, because has a receptor here for the nut to fit. I'm sorry, for the nut to fit into, and if you go too far, you'll disturb that area there. So you want to bring your bit through to about like that. So a good way to do that is, you know, you can hold it here, put a piece of tape up to there, and you'll know where to stop. Let's go ahead and get this drilled. And as soon as you go through, just take your time with it. As soon as you go through, just go ahead and stop it, and you don't even need tape then. I mean, it's gonna be right. I always like to go ahead and ream out the hole to get this little, these few little pieces out. 1/8 inch bit, and we'll go ahead and drill this side hole for your landing gear. Usually if you come up about 3/8 of an inch this way and go into the center, it's good to go. Pay attention, if you don't mind, to orientation. If you want all your screws on the outside to when you drill them, to make sure they're done so they will be on the outside, or if you want them on the inside, just you know, pay attention to your orientation for that. We're going to use an 1/8 inch bit for this, and we'll go about 3/8 of an inch up and in the center, and we're going to go ahead and drill that one, and that one's done. And that's what it looks like there. Now on this one that we're going to extend through for the crossover piece, the reinforcement piece, we're going to go ahead and use the existing hole, put our bit in, and you just want to hold it straight and bring it on through. Pretty simple. That one's done. Okay, so our 3 holes are done. This one's ready. Let's go ahead and get the others prepped, and we'll see you on the next one, and we'll start putting the frame together. Thanks. Subscribe.